In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve the layout and readability of your Smartsheet sheet, report, or dashboard. The first thing you want to do is open the Smartsheet item you want to improve. This could be a sheet you use every day, a report that brings together key updates, or a dashboard that people rely on for quick insights. Starting with the exact item you want to clean up helps you make focused changes instead of trying to fix everything at once. Once you have it open, take a close look at the column names and the overall formatting. Clear column names make a huge difference because they help everyone understand what each field is for at a glance. Try to keep the names short, direct, and consistent. At the same time, simplify the formatting so the sheet feels clean and easy to scan. If too many visual styles are competing for attention, it becomes harder to find what matters. Next, add color using conditional formatting. This is one of the easiest ways to make important information stand out automatically. For example, you can highlight overdue items, completed tasks, or high priority work with different colors. The key here is to use color with purpose. A few consistent visual cues can make your sheet much easier to read without overwhelming the viewer. After that, improve the way people enter and interpret data by using drop-downs, symbols, status columns, and date columns. Drop-downs help keep entries consistent, which is especially useful when multiple people are updating the same sheet. Symbols and status columns make progress easier to understand quickly, and date columns help organize timelines and deadlines clearly. These features not only improve the look of the sheet, but also make the data more reliable. From there, create reports to organize the most important information. Reports are useful when you want to pull together only the rows or details that matter for a specific audience or purpose. This helps reduce noise and gives people a more focused view without changing the original sheet structure. Then build a dashboard for a cleaner visual summary. A dashboard is a great way to present key metrics, updates, and links in one place so viewers can understand the big picture quickly. It turns detailed information into something more polished and accessible. Finally, remove any unnecessary columns or clutter so the sheet is easier to read. If something is outdated, repetitive, or rarely used, consider removing it from view. A cleaner Smartsheet setup is easier to maintain, easier to understand, and much more effective for everyone using it.